Good afternoon, esteemed viewers. Today, I am delighted to bring you a demonstration on preparing a classic spaghetti dish. Yummy spaghetti. Let us embark on this, culinary journey together, exploring each step with the utmost care and attention to detail. So, gather your ingredients and prepare to savor the rich flavors of this timeless recipe. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook the spaghetti until it's al dente, about 1 to 2 minutes less than the package instructions, or until the noodles become softened. Oh my God, Dad! In a suitable mixing bowl, begin by cracking 2 eggs. However, on this occasion, I shall be using only 1. Carefully separate the yolk from the white, as we are aiming to prepare a fine spaghetti dish here, not, indeed, an omelette. We are making spaghetti here, not omelette. Grr, sure. In a pan or mixing bowl, add the cheese mixture. However, as premium cheeses may be beyond my means at this moment. Oh, what a bummer. Swing, I shall instead create a homemade cheese blend. To achieve a similarly rich and creamy texture, I shall combine milk, butter, and a touch of cornstarch, imparting a pleasantly gooey consistency and a flavor reminiscent of fine dairy cheese. I like my cheese gooey. Once the mixture reaches a suitably thickened consistency, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool momentarily. This is essential, as introducing the yolks while the pan remains too hot would result in immediate cooking upon contact. Ow! So hot! Once the pan is cooled sufficiently, gently incorporate the yolks, stirring delicately to achieve a smooth, cohesive blend. Oh! Yay! Mix it up real nice. Finally, once everything is thoroughly combined and has reached a desirable consistency, introduce the pasta to the sauce, gently folding it in to ensure an even coating. Do remember to add a touch of pasta water to achieve the perfect texture. However, on this occasion, I shall be substituting with ordinary water. Oh, my God! Ah, that smells so good! Oh, yeah! And there we have it, a delicate, refined spaghetti dish made with just a few simple ingredients. Oh, wow! Looks so good! This creation celebrates Italian simplicity, showing that with a bit of care, one can achieve a truly delightful meal, even without extravagance. Very delightful!